morning, Tuesday today. Yesterday was a bit of a rain off, bit of pump day, moving some gear around, just getting rid of some water, so no operating done. But yeah, I'm back in town on the other side. That side was where I was working a few months ago, where I put that service track in on that big swale. So pretty similar area to where I was at. But now I am stripping this topsoil. Stripping this topsoil and just pulling over the side. But as I'm going, I'm putting this shitty material, I'm pushing that through as I go to push the water out down to the other end, and then once I push that through I sort of flatten it off, and then I pull the topsoil over the top of that, and then yeah, just sort of work my way down. It's pretty slow, and the tractor's just been, well, I had the tractor here with me, but they're resealing the road so you can't get across the road anymore to dump, so just sort of having to stockpile it up at the moment, what I'm sitting on. Once the road's done, then I can get him back and yeah, start loading stuff out. These are a bit more tight now that I can't load it straight out, but it's alright. I'm still managing to get it done. Quite tricky ground through here. Yeah, just trying to leave it nice and clean, and then once I've got the topsoil off, then I can strip this or cut it down to 300 below on the design, and then there'll be 500 mils of brown rock in this bottom section, and then brought back up to 300 below with white material, and then that pile there is also getting loaded out and taken across the road. So there's a bit going on, a little bit slow sort of getting going, but yeah, we'll get there. And once this gets cleaned out, then I have to get it picked up by the surveyors, and then yeah, and then after that, then it's ready for the rock to go in, the brown rock. Yes. Pissing out rain yesterday, so we got rained off straight away, and then today I was a bit wet this morning, but I don't think there's any more rain forecast, so it might be right for today, but the rest of the week's it's a bit on and off, a bit average. Should be right. So I'm going sort of making it flat for me a bench along.
Just put it next to you, please, Alex. That's it.
drain dug out just over here. And then surveyors came and he sort of picked up, I don't know, that side. We're just sort of pretty much stuck because we can't get across the road to take this topsoil away. So sort of running out of room, but going along now and just pushing the water through, digging it out, putting the topsoil over. Yeah, so I'm just sort of getting this sort of at the height the bucket is now, and then I'll just pull the topsoil straight over the top of it, and then I don't have to dig down for the topsoil, and just pull it over. Seems to be working out alright. And the shitty stuff, yeah, so I just use this to push the water down and through. And then I'll cut the drain at the far end, so the water is going out there, out of the drain. So yeah, making some progress, but it's just a little bit frustrating because I'm sort of cutting myself off here, but yeah, it is what it is. Up and it's draining back in, but I don't think I'm going any further than sort of where I've gone to. For the meantime anyway. Yeah, not too sure. Oh, I'll go probably 50 more meters, and then yeah, we'll see. Just about smoker time anyway. Another half an hour. Yeah, so once I flatten this off and then I spin around, pull the topsoil over, pull it down so I've got something to put the front of my tracks on. Now I can grab the back side of it.